Salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien et bienvenue dans ce tout premier numéro des dossiers secrets d'Indy. Dans cette toute nouvelle émission, nous allons revenir tous ensemble sur un personnage, un monstre, un objet ou bien encore un épisode des X-Files qui aura marqué l'histoire de la série. Et pour ce tout premier épisode et pour bien débuter, quoi de mieux que de revenir sur peut-être le plus célèbre des directeurs adjoints du FBI et pour vous mesdames sûrement le plus sexy, l'illustre Walter Skinner. Walter Skinner est interprété par le très sympathique Mitch Pileggi, acteur que l'on retrouve aussi bien dans les séries Stargate Atlantis, Supernatural, Dallas, Son of Anarchy et plus récemment dans la dernière saison d'American Horror Story et encore bien sûr tout plein d'autres séries, mais aussi dans des films tels que Flash of Genius ou encore Mafia Parano. Le plus célèbre de ses rôles est peut-être celui d'Horace Pinker dans le cultissime film d'horreur Shocker du papa de Freddy, Wes Craven, sans bien sûr occulter qu'il était aussi présent un peu avant l'interrogatoire de Sharon Stone dans Basic Instinct de Paul Verhoeven. Mitch Pileggi interprète donc Walter Sergei Skinner et occupe comme poste celui d'assistant du directeur au FBI de la division d'enquête criminelle. Il apparaîtra pour la première fois à l'écran dans l'épisode 21 de la saison 1, le fameux retour de Tooms, et apparaîtra ainsi jusqu'à la fin de la série en 2018. Skinner a d'abord connu une expérience de mort imminente en tant que marine lors de la guerre du Vietnam dans les années 70, puis a intégré le FBI dans les années 80. Il a par la suite gravi les échelons un à un pour devenir dans un premier temps, au début des années 90, directeur adjoint chargé du bureau des affaires non classées, ou pour la faire beaucoup plus simple, supérieur hiérarchique des agents Fox Mulder et Dana Scully. On lui soupçonnera dès le début de la série de travailler pour le compte de l'homme à la cigarette, en fermant par exemple le bureau des affaires non classées ou encore en réalisant pour lui d'immondes besognes, mais on s'était tous franchement bien trompés. Et oui, Skinner est bien un allié de Mulder et de Scully, pour qui il sacrifiera sa carrière et sa vie au mépris de tous les dangers et avec des méthodes souvent peu orthodoxes. Rappelez-vous donc la mort d'Alex Krycek. Mais voici arrivé le moment que vous attendiez sûrement tous, mon entretien avec Mitch Pileggi, avec qui je suis revenu sur sa participation à la série, son meilleur souvenir et même ses futurs projets. C'est maintenant et j'espère que vous allez apprécier, car la vérité est peut-être dans cette interview.
Hello, Mr. Pileggi. How are you? Bonjour. My name is Nicolas. I'm come from France. Sorry for my French accent.
That's all right. I love it. I love it. I love the French accent.
I'm a very big fan of X-Files, and of course of your character of Walter Skinner on the series since the 90s. I'm also a YouTuber, and in this Secret Files, I have many questions about the show and your character. Are you okay?
Sure. I'll answer as many. I'll answer them if I can. Where are you at in France?
I live in Loire-Atlantique, near Nantes, in the west of France.
In the west of France? Okay. I love France.
Cool.
Yeah.
First question, how did you get on X-Files? How did you get the role of Walter Skinner on X-Files?
Well, I had gone in and actually auditioned for the show twice before for Chris, and I didn't get the roles because my head was shaved at the time. He thought it was too extreme for the show. But so anyway, they called me in for a third time, and I was like, you know what? He's seen me twice. I don't want to go in. I'm not going to go in. And so my agent talked me into going in. Thank God. But I walked in the room, and I was like very grumpy, very surly, and pissed off. And I was like, let's do it, And fortunately, it's what he wanted for Skinner, and he gave me the job. So I'm so happy and so fortunate that I didn't get either of the first two roles.
Cool. What do you prefer in your character of Walter Skinner?
What do I like about him the best? His moral grounding, his ethics, that he's a rock.
Very tough.
And he was Mulder and Scully's champion, in the FBI, and he really looked out for them and took care of them, even though it put him in bad situations many times. But I liked that aspect of him, that he was definitely a man of strong moral character.
How it was to play with your wife on X-Files, because I know your wife Arlene was in first Gillian Anderson stand-in, and after your secretary.
Yes, she was her photo double at the beginning, from the beginning of the show, and she did that for some time, and then when we moved the show back to Los Angeles, the woman who was playing my secretary in Vancouver was Canadian, so she didn't come to the States. So my wife knew that there was an opening for a character, and so she literally called Chris Carter and said, I want to play Mitch's secretary, and he was like, okay, because he loves Arlene, and he was like, he'd let her do anything she wanted to do. So that's how she ended up playing the role.
Okay.
It was fun, a lot of fun playing. It was hilarious, because sometimes she would come in, do a scene in character, and I'd turn around, I'd look at her, and she'd just start laughing.
Not so difficult to have the smoking man behind you while you were working on FBI on your shoulders.
Yes, it was a pain in the ass to have him always around. It was like he was, and then in the episode where I got to tell him to kiss my ass, I was like, okay. So it was a lot of fun. Those two characters really, I think, played off each other very well.
Have you a favorite episode? I think Zero Sum is a good episode with you because it's focused on you. Have you an episode favorite?
Yeah, there was. I liked Zero Sum. I liked. There were a couple episodes that in this last season that we did. Gabe Rotter wrote the episode Kitten, and it was basically about Skinner and his past, why he was the way he was, and so I think it really fleshed out the character for me and for the fans to understand more of who he is, and why he acts the way he does.
Have you a fact you never told about the series? A fact, an anecdote?
I'm sorry, what's that?
Have you an anecdote, a fact you never told about the series?
Oh, probably. I'm sure there's a lot of them. There's probably a reason that I didn't tell anybody about them. Yeah, no, it was we had a lot of crazy times. Did a lot of crazy things, but it was fun. It was a good time in my life.
I have heard in the news you will play in the reboot of the series Walker, Texas Ranger. Can you say more about this?
Yeah, I'll be playing Jared Padalecki's father, and we'll be shooting down in Austin, Texas, that's where I started acting. I started doing theater in Austin, and I love Jared. He's a great guy. He's a really good person, and I'm looking forward to going back to Austin, and I think we're waiting for him to, because he has to go back and finish Supernatural. I think they have 3 more episodes or something like that. So as soon as he's finished with that, then we'll go back. Then we'll go down to Texas and start shooting that. So I'm very anxious for that to happen.
Cool. About X-Files, how it was to play with David Duchovny and Gillian Anderson?
It was great.
Cool.
It was, we worked together a lot. We were, especially David and Jillian, worked with each other every day. So it was, and that's a lot for people to be around each other that much. But I think that we really made it through and got along. And it's funny because this last season that we did, I think we all got along better than we ever did, because we hadn't seen each other for a while, and it was a lot of fun. We had a good time, and they're both great actors. So yeah.
Last question: do you think extraterrestrials exist or not?
Yes.
Do you think yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely. I hope so.
It was a pleasure to meet you in virtual, perhaps
Thank you so
in the future
much.
in real, if you go in France.
Thank you, Nicholas. I appreciate that. And are you staying healthy? Everything okay there as far as the coronavirus?
Yes, in France, I take care and I stay safe. My family too. We don't go in holiday, so we can
Yeah.
protect. We can protect.
Yeah. Well, good luck. Stay safe. Stay well. It's good meeting you. Good talking to you.
Stay safe and take care of you. I'm very fan of what you did.
Thank you very much, Nicholas. Thank you so much. You take care.
See you soon. Bye bye, my friend.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Avant de vous quitter, je voulais partager avec vous ma petite photo joliment dédicacée par Mitch Pileggi. Bon, j'espère que cette vidéo vous a plu. Je voulais remercier Claire qui a tout géré pour la traduction de l'interview, à Tom pour sa gentillesse, mais aussi à Dominique du site Full Empire Promotion pour m'avoir permis de m'entretenir avec Mitch Pileggi. Un énorme merci à vous trois. Si cette vidéo vous a plu, n'hésitez en tout cas pas à la liker et à la partager et pourquoi pas même à vous abonner à la chaîne. On se dit à très vite pour une toute nouvelle vidéo pleine de surprises et n'oubliez pas, si la vérité est ailleurs, elle est donc peut-être ici. Allez, salut les X-Files!